Okay, so hey, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment, most of all, subscribe.
Oh, shit.
Like me on Facebook, any messages you want to give me. Keep the nice comments coming, as long as they're nice. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So me and Jeff Pawee, and that's Jeff Pawee underneath the hood, right there. He is going to show us a simple, easy way to take off the fan blade clutch on this. And he's got his trusty little, look at his cute face. Oh, look at him. And I'm not gay, but he's not a handsome man anyways. So he's going to stick that right down there on the nut. And I don't know if you can see that, but hopefully you can. He's going to stick it.
Somebody's already done it to this one.
And he's turning it a little bit. Did it turn a little bit, Jeff?
Oh yeah.
So that's how you do that. If you ever have one. So he held on to the actual pulley itself on one side, and now he's just going to spin the fan right off of there. If you've ever tried taking one of these off, even with the tools, it doesn't matter. Inside my toolbox, there's $200 or $300 worth of clutch fan removal tools, and all along I had the tool inside there, but I never thought of doing it that way. So hopefully you have a tool at home, and that makes it simpler for you. Anyways, have a great day. Hopefully this helps. God bless.